Buddy, hopefully you can hear me, and hopefully the audio isn't too loud in the background. I've got some Nightwish radio going on. So today, the the problem that my coworker and I, Robert, discovered is that there seems to be this weird issue with enum numbers not matching up. Between a Python API and a C++ API in Cyclus, so hopefully we'll see what happens. We'll try to address this here today. So, so the first part of the problem is in the generation of this file called dbtypes.json, which is basically a big table, as you can see, a big table of these enums. Well, you know, no one's probably even watching, so we're just gonna, I won't narrate the whole thing, I'll just, maybe there's a way to get the chat up that I can see. I'm new to this whole Twitch thing. Let's see. Should probably not. No, I do not care about Twitch Prime. I need to log in. Come on. There we go. Never save. Come on. I don't know why it says hi to me. Yeah. Show me my channel. Please. Okay. Don't need the duplicate. Stream chat. Well, so how do I pop this out? That's the other question I have. That's like what I really want to do. Slow mode. See. Is there a way to pop this out? There's gotta be, right? Let me look. Let's chat. Window. Yeah, this person knows what I'm talking about. And the little gear icon next. Oh, there we go. Haha. Pop out. Okay, perfect. Okay, cool. So then let me send this over to the other screen. Oof. Yeah, I guess I'll just leave, when I code, I'll just leave the chat up in this sector. That'll let me know if anyone's chatting. Let's see. Hopefully it'll work. Yeah, no rooms. No rooms. No one's watching. That's great. Okay, so here's the problem. What I'm gonna do here. open source actually. Any way to hide the taskbar here? That'd be awesome. Guess not. Well, that appearance button does less than I thought it would. Okay. We need a regular expression, which means we now have two problems. Well, this is not fully Pepe compliant, so. Sorry. So the lines that we're looking at matching are in queryable backend. They look kind of like this. So, right. So the ones that we want to match are just the ones with the actual enum values on them. So, I guess we have some space at the beginning. Yeah, so it's S star, and then words, multiple of them, or multiple word characters, and then potentially space, star, but maybe not. And then maybe an equal sign and maybe more space. And then a comma. Yep. And then maybe more space, followed by a / dot star. Okay, I think that works. So, oh, sorry, no, after the equal sign, there's more space. Actually, if there's an equal, this is more complicated. So, if there's an equal sign, there also has to be digits. That's right, okay. Whew. That's all right. No one needs to see my Twitter. Okay, so if the line does not match this, then we know we're in bad news. Bad news bears. Okay, so we'll say m equals dot match lines I if m is none, return. Oh, no, not return, continue. And then we can try to get rid of, the whole point is to try to get rid of this try except block that is messing us up. And only you should report legitimate errors where this comment is not JSON formatted. Okay. So let's try this. Let's exit out, see. Share. I almost never go into this directory, so let's try. Okay. Expecting value from none. Okay, let's print line I. Let's put the enum value too. Well, yes. Okay, this is exactly what I wanted. So this isn't valid JSON because this is false. Fastlay. So that's obviously wrong. So let's go edit that. Somewhere. There we go. Okay, note that this product is also wrong below it because there's no close string, but let's just try. Okay, great. So that correctly fails. I'll search this time. Product. Okay, great. So this should have a quote, and actually, I think this should be the string. Uppercase product? I think so. Okay, let's see how that works out. Perfect. Let's get rid of this stupid print line. What? Okay. 272. What's wrong with that line? Let's go back to products. Wait, which one was it? Map pair. Okay, so it's this top one. Man, I love this song. String int. that looks like valid JSON to me. What am I doing wrong? Oh, funny. No, that's... Nope. Okay. Let's try the old decode trick. Well, what error did it throw? Should have thrown an error somewhere up here. Did it not? Say S equals... Oop! Stupid JSON has double quotes. Okay. So import JSON. JSON.loads. Line 1, column 60. Okay. Why don't we look at 59 on then? Oh my god. No? What? Is that not a double quote character? Oh, look, this int isn't quoted off. I see. Wow. Life is pain. It's a problem with embedding JSON into C++ comments. And then it's probably in like all of these. Wow. Here we go, full screen of this. There we go. Okay. Let's save that. Exit out. What's wrong with this one? Oh, I put the quote in the wrong spot. Oh, and I also did it here too, because freaking genius. Houston, I think that might have worked. Yeah, that worked. That's the right kind of output. Okay. So let's get rid of this comment and these comments. Won't worry about making this too much easier. So let's commit. Backend and made types and raise errors. Okay, let's push that up before we lose it. Push substring origins Segfault. Ugh. Okay. What? Oh no, I didn't want upstream. Wait. It's going to be a conflict. Yep. But my version is correct. Gosh, get it together. Okay. So now, let's go ahead. Oh no, this is Cyclus. So let's build it. Yeah, as expected. There's an error here in building. What? Did not expect that. I don't know. I don't know what's wrong here. Let's try to do a clean build. Yeah, screw it. Let's just do a fully clean build. Okay. Cleanish. VL map is like not a type. Okay. Huh. Man, Cyclus sucks. There's so many bugs. Well, actually, let's check if that DB type stuff. JSON got uploaded correctly now. Yeah, it looks like it was updated correctly. Wow, this is blowing my mind. I'm gonna hide that screen so I can see this. Okay, so this is in source, so... And what is it? HDF5 backend gen. I'm gonna query. Where is it coming from? 622. Yeah, but there shouldn't be a VL map necessarily. Template args. I think we can just do this then. I think people just misnamed it. Whatever. Guess we'll my guess is we'll also have to add it here, so who knows? Okay. No generation specified for type. See, it just shouldn't be variable length map. Like, that's the problem here. Unless I'm sorely mistaken about something. About whether they have VL lists. There are VL maps. Yeah, okay. So whatever is going on here in these template type setup, this should not be needed. So let's set it back. The variable length should be removed. Also, this needs some PEP edification, but T.canon 0. So as canon, okay. So I think, yeah, if we were to do, this is the right function. Oh, wrong directory. Okay, cool. So let's go to 623. Wow, this is ridiculous. I'll do something bad and have a 2-block try except indent. Because I don't want to indent that hole. Alright. That should be dirty enough for government work. Yep. Alright, so P T. Oh, it's a type. Which doesn't have a pretty print. Yeah, why isn't VL map being converted to just map? It should be. Okay, well, let's try to find VL map in this file and see what's going on. See, it was right there. Oh, unless this is an error. This is an error in the queryable backend again. Right, so yeah. The canonical type is not VL map, it's just... But wait, no, the canonical type for the pairs and vectors and stuff. It works on all these other ones. Right, where was this failing? VL map pair string in. Pair string in. Yeah, it's this guy. This one. Okay, let's see where it's failing again, I guess. So canon 0 is VL map, right? That seems right. And this is line 628 now. What is T.canon? It's just that template args doesn't have... I'm just confused at why canon isn't. Okay, but we know this is a type now, so we can go look at type. Ugh. How is this working for all the other VL maps? That's what I'm confused about. Right there were other VL maps. Yeah, there's other VLMs. What's this guy's problem? Is there like a typo or something? This is a pair or something? Yeah, I guess I don't understand exactly where this failure is. Alright. Okay, so children must be 2. So why is that not just range children? I guess I'll never know. What was the error again? Oh. Ugh. Okay. Oh, this is some sort of crazy... Oh my god, this is like some sort of crazy super nested function called... Okay. So new type. This is harsh. Okay. I'm starting to understand it. This whole thing is a list comprehension. Oh, Ryan. Hodge. You are a crazy man. Okay. But new type canon to node. Let's see. Canon to node. Does this have like a... What is it? What's the second type? P... It was like T dot... Canon... 1. So does canon to node have that? Right? Okay, it does, actually. Part. So that would be this and index 0. How did this ever work? Oh, maybe we weren't meant to hit this block. Yeah, what's going on there? Why are we in this else block? Oh my god, I have no idea. It's like not doing something right. I don't understand which of these elves. Okay. So that's why we're hitting it, because it's not in that variable length type. Or VL map is not in. Maybe the thing to do is to just print canon T for this block. Or T canon 0. Let's see what gets hit here. Yeah, VL map fails. Wait, it's just pair? Where did the other VL maps go then? What? Okay. DB to VL. The VL maps go there. DB to VL. So why is... Where is DB to VL? That's what's going on. What is... No. Let's go to 0. Oops, that was a mistake. Please don't. Great, it's an empty dictionary. Where does it get filled? Where's this dictionary filled? Tell me now. Maybe we need to go to the bottom. What even is it? It's row db to VL. So queryable backend, it's the 9th element. Okay, so let's take a look at this. 0, 1. Oh, sorry. I need to go further down to where there are full. Oh no, it's not in queryable backend, it's in JSON types. Or the DB JSON types.json. Okay, so let's look at this. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's the last one. Wait, why is it false for all of those? Huh, I wonder what's the meaning of that? Oh, I think it's the flag for whether they're variable length. So what we have here, I get it. So we've got variable length data types masquerading as fixed length. Okay, so if I set these to true, it should work. Oops. Assuming I don't make too many more typos. I'm not convinced of this, but let's try it. Thought I got rid of that print statement. We actually don't know what type this is. Oh no, it's still the same type. T.db. Oh, we probably need to do reinstall to regenerate that database file. Why is it doing all this? Let's make sure this is still okay. Okay, it seems to work now. Ugh. Oh, I bet that's a bunch of white space. Because my editor automatically removes trailing white space. Yeah, that's all it is. So stupid. Damn it. It still didn't work, but... Let's get rid of these try excepts. We don't need that. Oh, and the print was probably bad. Yeah, this is probably messing this up, which is why it wasn't compiling. Update. Sorry. Oh my gosh. The SHA function's not implemented for some of these. It's always something. Let's commit again. So we don't want to repeat that. Okay, so let's find the topmost build error. Or actually, we don't really need it. So we just say pair string double doesn't have a SHA-1 function, which is in the query backend. Okay, fine. We'll implement you. Nope. I think this is in the header. Yeah. Okay, so it's saying... Oh no, no conversion for map pair string int. Okay. That's fine. Okay. A lot of these update functions, it's just a matter of finding the right. Okay, so let's say where map standard pair. Let's see, does that appear anywhere? Yes. So int map pair int string double appears. Are there any other map parent strings? Nope, just up in the queryable backend. Okay, so this seems like a reasonable place to add string. Okay. Gotta love header-only libraries. So this is also standard string. So the core type is this. Okay. Okay, so it's pretty easy. So we want to process, we basically want to do this one, but for first as well. So first, well, and that'll be second, but so let's put that there. I can't believe we've been doing this so long already. And then we want this to be second. Size of int. Okay. Let's see what fails now. Find me the topmost builder. Agent.cc. In member function. Oh, we have the type wrong. C++ complains a lot without actually telling you what the hell it's doing. Guess we could do auto in this case, but Cyclus is kind of older than that, unfortunately. Oh, it looks like it's compiling. Amazing. For this awesome type. And of course I missed the first. What failed now? Something definitely failed. Oh, right. We need to generate Cyclus, the type system that adequately wraps products. Because we can't return nuns and stuff. Alright. But first, a cookie. Oh my gosh. What's the other one? Okay, that was a longer bio than I anticipated, but it's fine. Now we're good to go. See my cookies? Delicious. Actually, they're not very good. But I did make them, so... they're ketogenic, which shouldn't be why they taste bad, but... Okay, now we're in for some fun. Okay, we need to go into the Python. It can't be none. Ooh. Alright, Gen Typesystem. That's what it's called. Sorry, I just spaced out. So this isn't like, what function is this? An A by norm. Oh, I see. So we need to find this like any by norm. Okay. So back to Gen Typesystem. So assembly in this TS pi to any. Okay. So the thing is, if we have... Oh, I see. If we have a material... if we've got a Python product, and we want to convert that into the C++ product, it's a matter of getting the product pointer off the Python one, off the Python object. Okay, so stuff is pretty complicated. But code generation makes it easy, right? So products, the subclass of resource. Where's resource? Resource is here. Wait. These things have to have pointers to them, though. Let's actually look at typesystem.pxd. Okay. So resources have resource pointers of resources, which we know. Yeah, okay. So we need a toCpp function. Do we have a material toCpp? Let me just look. I can't imagine that we don't, but... We have a material toCpp function. Do we have a product to CPP? That'd be freaking awesome. Let's see what these actually do. See if these are implemented correctly. They're probably not. That's probably the problem. Yeah, they're not. Okay. Let's fill in some defaults. Save on types. I don't need to worry about 2pi converters yet. It needs 2 CPP converters. This is where we were going wrong. Yeah. Here we are. We're implemented as none. That's not great. Okay. This is definitely not what we want. What do these indexes mean? It's like the declaration. I think this is a little complicated, actually. I think this is going to be something like... Let's try this. dref. .ptx, right? So it's going to be var. So we need to declare this. Or we need to cast this as like type. No, we're in the type system. Cast it as a underscore material. I guess it's a resource pointer. And then this resource pointer needs to be cast. Oh no. So this is a resource pointer. And so then we want to cast that as a CPP Cyclus dot material pointer. No one said this would make you happy. We're expecting it to fail on product, but let's see if it worked on. Oops, that's not what I wanted. I'm going to Control F. Where material to CPP. Okay, it's there. This might not be the best way to do this. Okay. Well, we'll see. Where are those Python issues? So where there's Python issues with the material assignment to non-L value? Yes. So right there, yeah. Okay. I think we're going to have to do this the harder way. But the harder way is very similar to the res buff, I think. So we'll just go from there, I guess. Let's just take this example. Wait, why are there comments here? I don't understand what's going on there. Let's steal this. So we know we won't need that, but we'll probably want parts of it, and then this should just be an open parentheses now. Underscore class name. Yes, underscore material. Maybe. No, let's just go by hand, I guess. There's no reason. Someone just texted me or something. Okay, and then this is going to be CPP Cyclus. So this will be the Cyclus material. Which we'll call CPP var. Yeah, so those are our declarations. And so pi var is going to equal a view into the variable material. Okay, but actually, here's where things get tricky. So pi var ptx is a resource buffer. And we want to cast this, or as a resource, not a material. And so before we dereference it, we want to cast it to material. Pointer. Okay. Let's try that. Okay, bam. Wait, is it still giving me error compiling? What? Typesystem 290? Doesn't make any sense. Oh, I want to do a reinterpret pointer cast. This is so annoying. Yeah, we're going to do a reinterpret pointer cast. How does that work even? I forget. I think it's the center one. Yeah, I think it's that. Now I am peeved. Wait. Oh yeah, that is a syntax error. Okay. See what we got here. Assignment to non-L value material? That doesn't make any sense to me. There's no way this is still none. Okay. Alright. Well, I'm pretty convinced this is the correct thing to do. for the materials, I guess. Let's look at it. Yeah, cast the object as a material. Dereference the reinterpret pointer cast. Yeah, okay. Cool. Let's do that for products now. You see why I punted on this previously. It's pretty annoying. Okay, let's see where this fails. No! Okay. Oh. I left the product as a material. Come on, big money. I don't understand this cannot assign L value thing. Why is that still none? Okay, let's take a look at why that's still none. Huh? I thought there was like a to any converter, maybe? Oh, here. New pi inst. This is probably what's wrong. I don't know what thing this is in, but it's probably in Typesystem, which means this is just a material. And this is just a product. I don't know. Pretty wacky. Cannot convert Python object to material. Yeah, why are these not getting the, like, blah 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 function to CPP treatment? That's what I want to know. Yeah, okay. We can make these NPA. Oh, here it is. So this needs to be like material to CPP parentheses template var. This will be product to CPP. Yeah, and these should be likewise material to pi, I guess. var. Maybe it would have worked if like these just weren't present. Like that could be true too, right? It could know about them by default. Let's see. Yeah, that actually seemed to work for those. So now we just have these weird error messages that I don't understand. So let's actually verify. Yeah, it did it correctly. Okay. Right, okay. It's these lines. That worked. Perfect. Okay. Okay, so we can actually just... The none thing was actually messing this up. No need to do anything special. Okay. Let's commit, because I don't want to go through this again. Assignment to non-L value material. Like, what? Okay, let's go look at 290 again. This is just saying create something. Where are these even defined? They're only defined there. Unless there's something stupid going on in the PXD now. No, there's nothing stupid going on there. I just... Man, what the hell is going on? More cookies. Let's look this up. Just log in. Log in. I'm not a robot. Okay, thank you. Why expand all? Hmm. Wait, what? Non-L-value material. What? You just can't tell what is this in this function or in the function above. Okay. it just committed, so I should be able to go back to master and do a clean build. Okay. Clean build. Did we destroy the Cyclus Typesystem files? Yeah. Okay, so we reinstall. Well, we have to download everything again while I get cookies all over myself. Ugh, this is annoying. Hopefully this isn't a Cyclone bug. I really hate Cyclone bugs. Nope, no Facebook. I think I misspelled a sign last time I was here. But somehow it doesn't matter. Ah. I guess I should have just cleaned out the one directory. I didn't need to rebuild all the Cyclus like a fool. My foolishness cannot be contained. Cyclus. Cyclus compile. Cyclus the files. Unless it did work. In which case, this is some really annoying. Yeah, we're on the tests. What does that mean? Yeah. It actually compiled the Typesystem on master. Okay. Maybe I should copy the Typesystem files and to a temp folder. Star type star. Make sure temp is empty. It's not. Well. Dash star. Okay. Okay. So let's check out the Segfault branch again. And we can just do a git clean fdx in here. And this should do a minimal rebuild. Yep, I saw the error. I saw the error. It's on visual. Wait, what? It's a C++? Oh no, we're getting a C++ error because it failed Python. What changes did I actually make? Right, so diff, say master head gen type system. Okay, that makes sense. This makes sense. This makes sense. Those make sense. Oh, maybe those should be none. We can try putting those back to none. And alright, I removed all this stupid. Anyway, why do I have the print? See, this is why you do this stuff. Okay, so print res map should not be in there. X. It's one of these things. Yeah, that is not okay. I don't think that's what the problem was, but it's not okay. Let's go up to the NumPy type. Yeah, that wasn't the problem. See, I saw it still. No, it wasn't the NumPy types. It was like this. It was the new pints. Let's see what putting this as none does. Damn it! What is going on? Okay. Well, that seems to have no other noticeable effect, so should probably be none. If you know what I'm saying. Okay, so let's do. Okay, so let's do this diff again, just to make sure we're not. I don't see how it could be the NumPy objects. But I've been wrong before. Okay, well let's do this thing that I was thinking about, which is like we're taking the diff between the Typesystem pxd file here and the one that we had saved before from master. Is there a way to get diff in color? There we go. Okay. Oh, snap. There's two uses, unfortunately. We're using material to be the class and material to be a state variable. That really sucks. That really sucks. What must I do? Okay, so if we do this with the... Yeah, so, okay, just to explain. So we have Oh, right. So down here somewhere. Yeah, here we're declaring a class called material, or classes material and product. And then it's really annoying. And then in the typesystem.pyx, we also have material and classes that are actually the materials and classes, are not the state variables. Right, so if I search for class material, I'll get the state variable version. There's so many of these. And then I'll also get this. Okay, let's see what we can do in the generator. It's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Class names. Maybe I need to rename. Ah. I think that would mess up the whole API. Because I only need the class name to change. Okay, let's go to the state variables. Whoa. Okay, here we are. Here's where you define the state variable class. Okay, if T is not an inventory, T class name is the class name for the type. Ugh. This is not something I want to deal with right now. I don't even know what it should be called. I'm much... So if it's not in inventory types, and maybe not in resources, let's do that. That'll at least avoid it. And then we can... ts.resources, maybe? Let's try that. I don't understand. It should have not done it now. Let's look at the diff again. So let's look at, yeah. So the resources should be, where is resources? Okay, it's a tuple of the big resources tuple. Right, so that's material and product. Oh, but T is... But T is the type. T is like the CPP type in this case. Unique types. Let me just do this. With this material and stuff in here? Yeah, material and product are in there. Okay. Okay, so we'll say material in resources. Unique types includes the inventories? Yeah, I guess it does. Oh yeah. Why are those there still? They don't deserve to be there. What you do? Let's test that this is actually doing something. Yeah, it's actually regenerating it. I wonder what is ts.inventory types though. Maybe that was just a redundant statement and the problem is coming from elsewhere. No. Those are all actual inventories. Oh, fuck me. I was probably preventing it in the one. I'm a fucking idiot. Okay. I was probably preventing it in the PYX, but not the PXD. So let's go back. I'm almost certain that's what was happening. And T not in TS dot resources, which is kind of long, so maybe let's throw this on the other line, and then we'll. Ugh. Okay. Here goes nothing. Let's try this. Okay, we've got some white space. Everyone loves white space. But I think we might not have that issue anymore. Okay, so that's great. That is absolutely great. So let's... What? Okay, there's some failure, but Python at least compiles now. So that's good. We really should enable those traders and everything again. But let's commit this, because that was pretty annoying. So we actually should add those back, but we can do it below when we iterate over resource class names. Amazingly. So, yeah, that's the inventory. And then inventory types. Or maybe we should just do it separately, like... It's basically the same thing, we just want to add state var to the name. So it can't be... It's basically just this, but with state var. pretty annoying. I guess we could just do an if-elif block for the class name. But it's like the class name only for the state variable, right? So that's what's kind of weird about it. Because that... Oh, Dan Allen just liked my tweet about streaming some bug fixes. Well, you're not on chat, Dan. I'm looking at you. I'm probably wrapping up here soon because my mind is kind of burnt out. It's almost 10 p.m. Got some video gaming to do. Killing Floor 2. Actually, if it is in TS resources, we can just modify the class name. That's to just include the word state var, I think. That's what needs to happen. So we'll just say, after this, it's going to be a lot more spaces, but that's fine. If t in ts.resources, and we'll put an end if here. Maybe we can confine this to one line. Probably not though. Set. My variable names are all too long. Oh, maybe I did it. Okay. Let's see if that works. Okay, so let's try this. Product state var, material state var. And this ought to compile again. Well, let's actually remove this other thing too. Print statement. Or it ought to at least get past Python compile. Okay, what is going on? No matching function for call. Can you not create an empty material? What function is this in? Any material, Typesystem, any material to apply. Okay, how is that getting? What is it doing? Why is it returning none? Okay, but it's actually complaining about this line. That line shouldn't be there. Right, okay, let's look. Any... But we generate... the new... Right. Var to pi. Okay, let's fix this. So if the return value if expert is none, alright, I think I see what's going on. I just have to fix it. I need to get myself some coffee and suit up for Killing Floor 2. Alright. It has been real. Oh my gosh, you've seen the inner workings. Ah!